What's up everyone? Jason Flego here with another ChatGPT video. We're going to unpack 6 powerful ways that you can use ChatGPT to optimize a new business or a startup that you've got. These are 6 of the ways I'm personally using, and I've found other businesses right now using ChatGPT to make money. Let's go ahead and jump into this full video.
Please like and subscribe to the channel.
And welcome back. So we are going to be walking through the 6 businesses that you can start or grow using ChatGPT in this video. Some of the ones that we'll be exploring are content marketing, making chatbots, creating e-commerce or dropshipping stores, trading, software engineering, or improving a Saas company or starting a Saas company, and then doing a podcast or video show. So let's go ahead and jump into number 1. So content marketing is the first business that you can start or grow using ChatGPT. There is so much that you can do with the content generation side of things. Social media, email marketing, optimizing SEO. I released a whole video and multiple videos on the content marketing side of things. SEO, doing an SEO deep dive as well if you're interested in checking that out. But ChatGPT can basically create so much content, and if you have like a content marketing freelance business or an agency, you can help create so much content. So let's say that you are a business in the chiropractic space. So can you create a first visit? So I asked it to create a sales landing page for a chiropractor in Jacksonville, Florida, with an offer of a free adjustment with the first visit. So now it is outputting that content, the free adjustment. So these aren't as super punchy title, subtitle. So it's a pretty good output here. What's going to be interesting is you can actually take this, ask ChatGPT to optimize it even further. So I wasn't really satisfied with copy here that it came out. I want it more sales focused. So I asked it to make this more sales focused and focus on the value and life transformations that new patients will receive. Experience the healing power of chiropractic. What I recommend is testing out the different prompts that you can get. In a lot of my other videos, I show examples of how to optimize the prompts with ChatGPT to get the best results that you're looking for. Yeah, a little bit more improvement here from what's up above. So once you have something that you're happy with this landing page, you can then use what I call as pillar content and break it down. You can actually ask it to then come up with email copy, a sales. So I asked it to write a sales email from the landing page copy. Now it's coming up with a email that we can send out to a cold audience or an existing audience or an audience that you pay for from a email list. And then the same with social media posts. You can ask it to come up with maybe 10 different social media post ideas, and then you've got all this content to then work with to, serve clients, or if you're doing content marketing for your own business or your own brand, you have this as a good starting point to be more efficient. Please do not copy and paste the content though from ChatGPT. Some of the search engines will be blocking or hindering ChatGPT content. So make sure you take this, add it into Google Docs or another document processor, and optimize it from there. As you can see, it's not perfect. Great starting point where you're not starting totally from scratch. So let's go ahead and check into number 2 business that you can start or grow using ChatGPT, and that's building a chatbot. So I asked, can you use ChatGPT as a chatbot? And it outputted a few different pieces here. So you can use an existing chatbot platform, build your own chatbot, or use a chatbot builder tool. So I went over to Google and typed in building a chatbot with OpenAI's GPT-3 engine. OpenAI also has GPT-3 with the API connections that you can actually use to totally build your own chatbot. So this blog here for building a chatbot with OpenAI's GPT-3 engine, I'll link in the video description down below. So if you want to build out your own chatbot and use it on your own e-commerce platform, your own website for like customer service or automated messaging answering, it's definitely a great business that you can provide to other platforms saying, hey, I can build a custom chatbot for you and your business. Third way that ChatGPT can be used for a business, a new startup, or growing it is in the e-commerce or the dropshipping space. A few areas that ChatGPT can be used is like creating sales landing page copy. As you saw with the content marketing, so much of that, it can also be used to create content for the features and benefits, the product listings. I asked it to create a product description page for Bluetooth wireless headphone earbuds for an e-commerce store. And it outputted a title, an introduction, features, specifications, conclusion. So you've got a good starting point here to work with. You can also ask it to add in more information. So I asked it to add in more features and benefits. The other thing you want to make sure you add in is customer testimonials and any kind of trust or credibility, like being mentioned in an online blog or an article, or influencers kind of talking about it, even a video review to add into it to optimize the e-commerce product description page. So as you can see here, it added in a number of other new features here, and it gave me another title option. It's adding in more benefits here down below that we did not have up here in the first iteration of the copy. So one of the other things with e-commerce obviously is doing paid advertising. You can also come up with PPC campaigns on social media or Google PPC, even scripts for like video ads that you want to do. In some of my other videos, I unpack more of that, but you can ask ChatGPT to come up with these iterations of the PPC campaigns. So I typed in, can you create 4 PPC campaigns for Google using this copy as a draft? And now it's adding in the copy. So campaign 1, wireless earbuds for a clutter-free listening experience, high quality sound and noise cancellation. So this is a great starting point. I recommend throwing this into like SEMrush or Ahrefs just to check the SEO performance as well, and of course look at competitors and what ads they're running. But you've got a great example here where you're not starting from scratch, and you have the ability to take this and be more efficient with your time. And that's where you have so much more that you can do with e-commerce drop shipping, coming up with different ideas. Chatbot idea added into your e-commerce or drop shipping store, and then you've got a good customer service solution for the frequently asked questions. You can add that in, a chatbot to use. Now, number 4 way that you can use ChatGPT to create a new business or grow it is in trading. So I was reading a really interesting article here on Medium from Danny Groves. Talked about, can OpenAI's ChatGPT forecast the stock market? Now, obviously, ChatGPT doesn't have access to like the internet. It's just using a older data set. So I think up to 2021, but it's actually asking ChatGPT to write and program using Python, a tool, an app that's going to forecast stock prices. It goes through all of these iterations here. I'll link this article down in the video description so you can check it out. He does have an ability to create an app that actually runs and forecasts a stock price. Another article I thought that was pretty interesting on Medium was how ChatGPT wrote the entire Python code for Binance crypto trading bot from Michael King. This one is really interesting. It shows basically creating an entire trading bot for crypto. So really cool here. I'll link this video down in the description as well for you to check out. And the number 5 way ChatGPT can be used to create a new business or grow an existing business is in the software engineering or the Saas space. You can actually use ChatGPT to write all the entire code for the beginning of a SaaS company or optimize, some software if you're an existing SaaS company. As you could see from the trading example with it writing Python code, you can actually use the ChatGPT tool to write an entire app for you. So I asked it to write a Python app that predicts the weather based on last week's forecast. And it's providing a rough outline of a Python app that's going to predict that. Collect the data, pre-process this data, analyze the data, make a prediction from the data, and then present this prediction. I asked it to write the Python code for this app. Now it's writing all the code that is needed for this app. It's writing in the information for using the weather API, using WeatherBit for the API. It's adding in the functions here. ChatGPT can do a lot of the writing code that you might need. You can also take existing code, throw it in, and ask ChatGPT to optimize it or search for bugs in the existing code. Personally used it in like some smart contract development, seeing if there's any bugs in it, which I found some. And then I've also been looking at WordPress plugins and finding bugs in there and asking it to optimize the code from there. There's so much that you can do on the software side and potentially the SaaS SaaS side with your company using ChatGPT. And the sixth and final way that you can use ChatGPT for starting a new business or growing a business is in the podcast or video show space. So you might have a podcast or you might have a video show on YouTube or somewhere, online, a streaming channel or something. You can actually use ChatGPT to come up with a lot of the scripting, content ideas, promotions ideas for, like, again, going back to the content marketing side. So I typed in, can you create a video script for top skills that software engineers need to succeed? Say you have a show or a podcast where you're talking about skills that software engineers need to grow or be more successful. Well, now you've got a rough outline here of this video script that you can use. So here's the top, 10 skills that every software engineer needs to succeed. Potential outline of this video script. So it's got problem solving, communication, adaptability, and then you can throw in, other prompts to optimize this further. So I asked it now to write a social media promo based on the above video script. Attention software engineers want to succeed in your career. Check out our latest video or, audio podcast on the top skills you need to succeed. And if it's, again, top 4, top 5, whatever, throw in the number. We cover the essential skills that will help. And if you're doing an interview, you can throw in the details of the special guest that you have on there. This is just scratching the surface of the different businesses. So definitely check out some of my other videos. I've been releasing a lot of ChatGPT content, the power of using AI to grow and improve whatever you're doing. So please check out those other videos. If you have any questions about ChatGPT or have been finding other interesting things in your own business that ChatGPT has been helping you grow your company, drop them in the comment section down below. If you have any desire to let me run through or optimize your own business, go ahead and drop some information in the comment section. I would love to do a case study using ChatGPT and showing how I would use ChatGPT to optimize the business. And I may even do a giveaway. So please watch out for that. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit and smash that like and subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell to be notified of any other upcoming videos that I've got going on. Thank you for tuning in. I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.